Okay, today we're going to make everything but the bagel chicken wings. So we're going to use the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel sesame seasoning from Trader Joe's. I suggest if you're going to try to make this, you use this one because I have a few other ones. I didn't put them on the table, but they don't taste the same. This is legit. Okay, I've never done this before, so we're going to play with it. So I always buy wings and then I put them in little baggies of 2 because 2 is a 1-person serving size, I think. I don't know. I know there's health people like, you shouldn't even be eating chicken wings. What are you doing? I'm going to use an air fryer today because it's faster and I'm not going to heat up my oven for 2 wings or the grill for 2 wings. So we're just going to throw them in an air fryer. I got my little air fryer pot right here. A quick trick is put foil underneath so you don't have as much cleanup. If you don't know me, you would know that. Okay, so the recipe I found calls for mayonnaise. And I'm not sure what I feel about using mayonnaise on my wings because gross. But I have 2 wings, so what I'm gonna do is marinate one without the mayonnaise and then marinate the second one with the mayonnaise so we can try. I'm also supposed to use Dijon mustard. And I only have deli style mustard and I'm not going to the store just to buy Dijon mustard. So we're gonna play with it. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing it calls for is honey. I don't really measure stuff. You can just eye it. So I'm just gonna put some honey in the bowl. Whee! That might be too much, but there's my honey. I'll come back to it. And then I'm gonna put some mustard. Oop, I should have shaken this first because that was liquidy. This mustard actually may be spoiled. Yeah. I can't even tell you guys when it expired. I don't even know why it's still in my fridge. Whew. I don't even know if I was living here when I bought this mustard. That's weird. Okay, anyways. There's some mustard. That might be too much mustard. We may need to put some more honey in. And then, that's it. So then we're gonna stir it. I should get a fork. I'm gonna whip it up. I'm not sure what I feel about honey and mustard. Maybe that's why I called for Dijon. I'm gonna put a little bit more honey because I think I put too much mustard. Okay. I think the whole thing is weird. I always wonder how people come up with these recipes. Like, do they just sit around all day? Like, I love wings and stuff. Sorry, I didn't mean to swear. But I don't know if I would waste my time trying to... I would have probably just throw these in some oil and then, okay, I just want to try what this tastes like. May have gone overboard with the honey now. So we're just going to put a little bit more mustard. I know some of you are like, you're using a fork, you should use a whisk. Well, if I had a whisk, I'd use a whisk. Ha ha! Okay. I'm really just going to start. I'm gonna take my first wing. And make sure your wings are dry, like that you've taken all the moisture out of them and like, so like I try to clean my wings and then I'll put them in the fridge just so that they dry out because you want them to be dry because that's how they get the most crispies if they're dry. I'm just rolling it in this sauce. Okay, so I got that. And then you pour the seasoning on it. And I'm going to do that in the pan because I don't want to get it in the rest of the sauce. And just cover it really well. I wouldn't be shy. And then I always try to keep the fatty part up so that it gets crispy. Okay, so now I've got still some more sauce left. And I'm going to put some mayonnaise. This part is really gross.
This part really grossed me out.
Whee, mayonnaise. Okay. And stir it up. Okay. I'm gonna try this with the mayonnaise. It's kind of gross because I can see the mayonnaise in it. Like the consistency changed and so did the color. Wow, it's mayonnaise-y for sure. Okay. Let's put this in here. So we're coating the second wing with the same sauce as the first wing, except now it's got some mayonnaise in it. Man, I'm gonna be so mad if these taste funny. I don't know, gotta get it in it. Okay, I'm gonna put this one in here. I'm gonna throw some of this sauce on here. I always just use the chicken. I always just use the chicken one. It's 20 minutes and then I just say start. Okay, let's try these wings. Heaven, heaven, yeah. And there you have it. 2 delicious everything but the bagel chicken wings. I think they were actually really good. I do think the mayonnaise one was better. It was less salty. But the key question is will I make them again? Probably not. Only because I like my chicken wings spicy, and these kind of left a lot to be desired for. Like they have that everything but the bagel spice to it, which is not really a spice. It's just everything but the bagel poppy seeds, like sesame seeds and salt. I need a little bit more oomph. So maybe I will next time make them and then make a sauce and throw them on top. Stay tuned till I figure it out. See you in a couple days when I'm craving wings again, because it won't be too soon, or it will be soon. Not too soon. I don't know. Anyways, in a couple days, I'll be back with another video on a different type of sauce or a different type of wing using all the different spices I have in my house right now during quarantine. All right, take care. Peace.